Hello once again, my pickleball friends. This is Pickleball Ace here. So, look what I got in the mail today. And a paddle from Enhanced Pickleball called the Duo. Just got it from the mail. This is how it came with, wrapped in plastic. This is the Widebody. And I chose the Widebody because it has a larger sweet spot. So it comes with this beautiful paddle cover, Duo Widebody dual foam technology. Here we go. Here we are. Very nice. Smells good too. That's the top. Side. This is basically just show and tell. Unboxing, show and tell. 16mm dual foam technology. Grip. Duo. Wow, this really good surface too. T700 carbon, but has a little bit more grit. You can hear that. The Widebody, let's just get into the specs. So the reason why I bought this, because I want a Gen 4 paddle that feels like a Gen 3 paddle, and that's what Enhanced Duo claim to be. I have so many Gen 4 paddles that feel hollow. They have different characters in them, but I like the feel of the Gen 3. You know, I prefer a paddle that's firm when you hit the ball, not dwelly. I don't like control dwelly paddles coming from tennis. And so this is the paddle that they claim to be, that has a Gen 3 feel. And so I want to try this out for myself. All right. And yeah, this 3 grams, I don't know what that means. Maybe it's already weighted. Maybe. It says 3 grams right there. I don't know. Or maybe you can put or add weights right here. 3 grams and 3 grams. Maybe it's just a placement for those weights, perimeter weighting, probably. And so the technology is a dual foam ridge core technology, Gen 3 feel, bigger sweet spot, high spin potential, and your T700 carbon fiber face. For the Widebody, static weight is 8 to 8.1 ounce. Swing weight 111 to 114, twist weight 7.0 plus, grip circumference 4.1, handle length a little shorter. I coming from tennis, you know, I always mention this. I like the longer handle, but this will do. 5.5 paddle length, 16 inches, width 8 across, and this is the Widebody. EPP EVA foam. I'm gonna go take this to the court tomorrow. Probably gonna just add an overgrip and then hit some few balls, and then I'll decide the perimeter weighting on this one. Probably add, depending on how I play with it tomorrow. So I can't wait to take it to the court and post some initial reactions to this paddle.